Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're alive. We're doing it. It's happened. It's Green Monday. Good morning. Good morning, baby. I made so much money last week. My hair turned white. My hair turned white. Too much sun. Too much action. What's poppin'? Good morning, good morning. Augie, Herman, Uwe, Uwe, U-W-E, Uwe. Uwe. How do you say that? Uwe. You. BP's here. Coin, clock, and tax. Thomas. Let's go. Robert. The whole crew's here. Everybody's ready to party. Exciting day. Back to Monday, baby. All right. What are we thinking? What are we thinking today? What do we got? We got the 15-minute chart, little bull flag breakout there from the 612s now. Up there at the 633s. Kind of a little push back up here on the 15-minute chart from now. Back above the VWAP there. Back above the VWAP, the overnight high. Overnight high, the Asian high, all the way up there at the 680s. Woo, buddy. Now, let's look at the idea here, right? We got Friday high. And that overnight Friday high was up there at the 683s. The overnight high here, 688. We're putting a higher low right there. All right, higher low. We had the breakout, big breakout there Thursday, Friday. If we look at the daily chart, look at the daily chart here, right? Looking at the daily chart, we got this big resistance back there. It's funny because that was literally the first day of August here. Big resistance there, 717. We got a pivot point on the daily chart there at the 738s. So Trevor, the course is great. Let's go. Love to hear it. We saw on that weekly candle a big reversal back up there on the weekly candle. Will the momentum continue to the upside here? I think if we break through that high from last week, 19,000 up there, you know, like up into here. To test. Sorry, 19,717 to test there. So a lot of resistance there. We'll see if we're gonna break out here today, pull back. We do have a small gap, little gap in the QQQ going into open here. We're above the VWAP on the Dow. We're above the VWAP on the ES. We're above the VWAP on the Nasdaq. You know? So either way, it's Mega Money Mondays, baby. All we got to do is just sit back, wait for the right setup, and then capitalize. That's right. That's right. Right now, above the VWAP here, we have the overnight low down there, 520s. Pivot point right now at the 579s. Guy Milo Gaming said that the course is phenomenal. Oh man, just getting me pumped up for the day, baby. Getting me pumped up. $200 make you holler. Well, we got a big thing on Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be for people that buy the course. 3 hours of me answering questions, breaking down the moves, trading, and all that fun stuff for people who have recently bought the course. So, doing that so that I can answer questions and get everybody, you know, on the same page. Sometimes it's better to talk through stuff together. I'm excited because I'm actually heading to Hawaii on Saturday. I'm going to Hawaii for 2 months. I got my, I'm going to set up my computer set up there, do some living, do some surfing. And we'll just be in Hawaii for 2 months, just kind of living, baby. Living while trading and all that fun stuff, so. Looking forward to it. The event on Wednesday will be recorded, yes. You're going to be live streaming from the beach, you know it. You know it. What's the first goal, LF George? To not lose money. Hey, if you can get to a point where you're not losing money, well, then you can start working towards making money. You know? I'm gonna be in the same area of on the North Shore of Oahu that I lived in before. Not the same house. Upgraded the house. We went from a little shack to a mansion on the beach, baby. You'll get an email from Only Prop Firms for the webinar on Wednesday. If you can't make it, the webinar will be recorded and live. It'll be uploaded to the course, to the actual course itself, to the Thinkific website. Michael, what's up, Mr. Patrick? Can I also join your course? I'm from Austria. Fuck yeah, you can. No discrimination. Every country's allowed to join, baby. Do you depend on daily trends, or do you look at some sort of higher time frame? Well, I mean, right now we're looking at the 15-minute chart. We can see the trend here on the 15-minute chart for now. Pushing up there, making a move, so. No reason to be short. Don't fight the trend. No reason to be fighting the trend here, my friends. That's right. Little breakout here on the 2-minute chart as well. Breaking out above the 25s. Now up there to the 32s. Nice little pullback, little trap. And then bounced it right back up. VWAP down there, 607s for now. Can you longboard in Oahu? Oh yeah, lots of longboarding spots. It's not all just big waves. Mark Young didn't have to pay the VAT in Britain. Oh God, now I'm gonna get a big bill from Britain. Oh Lord. James is up on a 20-foot ladder. Oh man, James, be careful, man. What you doing on the ladder? Trading and being on the ladder. You're not supposed to be on a ladder and trading at the same time. Jack George bought the course. For those struggling to be green more than red and know what to trade and when to trade, how to manage your entry and exit, it is a great course already trading better. Hey yo, $200. I mean, you know, it's not a bad investment. Not a bad investment, you know. You put a $200 investment to buy the course, hopefully avoid blowing up all your accounts. Think about it. That's 4 resets. You reset 2 times, 3 times. You could have paid for the course. You could have paid for the course. $99% discount always for my people. I was gonna sell it for $20,000, but then I said, hey, it'd be more fun to sell it for $199. What do we got? What do we got? We got no news today, by the way. There's a Fed speaker a little bit later, but nothing really out of the ordinary. I think there might be a little bit of like bullshit news, but nothing really like monumentous. Nothing major today. So right now the Nasdaq just kind of grinding higher here. I guess there is like a 10 o'clock 2-star news. Some bill auctions later on, 11:30 bill auctions. How was your weekend? You know how I do it. Went on the boat, went to the sandbar. Living the dream, baby. Took the Lambo out for a cruise. Just a fun weekend of living, baby. Lambo party. Lamborghini. So Lamborghini just came out with a new, 2 new cars. A replacement for the Huracan. They're getting rid of the V10, which blows my mind. I don't know why companies always gotta fuck around, you know? Why you gotta fuck around? Like, I don't want a V8. I don't want a twin turbo V8. I want a twin turbo fucking V10. You know, I don't want electric batteries and motors. Why they gotta always fuck around with shit? Electric batteries, like, come, oh God, why? I don't need it. Electric motors, don't need it. Can you touch that Lambo? Is it real? No, it's definitely not real. This is a green screen right here. Can't go any further. Oh! He's in the green screen! Ah, the vortex! The vortex! It's a nice Lambo. It's a nice Lambo. It's nice. Nice little guy. Nice little Lambo there. Have you seen the new Lotus? I have. Kyle, more of a Rolls Royce guy. Oh gosh. What does that even mean, being a Rolls Royce? I no longer have the Bronco. I only have the Raptor now. Right now, the Nasdaq just kind of holding here. Got this overall trend. The London market, big sell-off, London Open. We dumped down London Open, starting to put in these higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And right now, the trend just kind of pushing back up here for now. Like always, being patient. Being patient. We got that overnight high up there. 688, the Asian high. 710 pivot point. 19,710 pivot point. So, if you have questions on the lessons from the course, how do you ask them? Ask them on Wednesday, baby. You got 3 hours to ask all the questions you want. Andreas, what was the entry point? Well, no entry for me, but if you were gonna get long this morning on this move, I think the entry point would have been right there off the VWAP, huh? Right there off the VWAP, off the 615s. Ding, 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 ding. David Sherrill, we go big. Ford dealership if you need anything. Ooh. I'm kind of I'm debating. I've been thinking about getting a new Raptor, the new Raptor R, but I'm also like, I feel like they're gonna come out with a new Raptor pretty soon, like a new body style. I think what, 2026 probably. So I'm kind of like, maybe don't really buy a new Raptor right now. Wait for another Raptor. See what happens. I've got the normal Raptor right now, just not the Raptor R. Yeah, I don't know. Les Davey, really impressed with your course, Patrick. You explained your thought process across many subjects. Great examples. No silly, confusing jargon that all traders use to show how impressive they are. Hey, you don't need fancy words and concepts and ideas to make money. You just need to be able to identify momentum and then trade the momentum. Les Davey, I've spent a lot on courses and yours is one of the very best. Wow. $200, baby. Best course, best $200 ever spent. I love to hear it. Big, appreciate you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. We're like a little bit above the close from Friday. So we closed Friday pretty much like right in here, this 19,600 level, right? 615-ish. Kind of had that big, I don't know if it's a big range, but nice little range here overnight. Right in the middle of that overnight range right now. So it really is a bit of a coin flip. Bit of a coin flip. What's LFG on my shirt stand for? Come on. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. You know how we roll. Come on. Yeah, we got a Fed speaker talking at some conference or some bullshit here today, so who knows? Fed Waller. Fed Waller. 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 Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart, we're sitting right there in the middle of this kind of like overnight range right now. We got that overnight high up there, 688. It's currently 625 area. Got the VWAP there, 19,600s. We got a pivot point down here. We got a pivot point to the upside. And I think somebody said that we're looking to take out last night's high. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I like it. We'll see what happens. Being patient. Got plenty of time till market open here in the next 15 minutes. Right now, just continuing to put in higher lows, and starting to push up here once again off that 625 area. Let's see what happens. The dollar also pushing back up here as well. So the dollar pushing back up. The Nasdaq, the ES, everything pushing back up right now. The ES also with some key levels to the upside. The overnight high on the ES up there, the 91s. So just being aware. I feel like there's a lot of gravity, a lot of stuff pulling the market up here. So we'll see if that market continues to make this move. Greg, let's go. Breaking necks, cash and checks, Monday morning. You know how we roll. You know how we roll, baby. On the hourly chart right now, I don't know about you, but it looks like it just wants to get taken out up here. Got these double top, these highs. Put in this lower high, the overnight. Ding, ding, ding. Look at that. Ding, 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 ding. X marks the spot up there, maybe. X marks the spot. Right up into there. What's LFG? Come on, let's fucking go. What? How are people so confused what LFG is? Do you expect some type of pullback? I don't really expect anything, man. I don't really need to expect anything at all. Just waiting, that's all. Just waiting for patience, just being patient. If you have questions about my strategy, you have questions about what I use, For $200, you can have all of the answers and more. So, no public stream on Wednesday. The stream on Wednesday will be for course members only. Where can you get the shirt? On onlyprofirms.com. Who is richer, you or ICT? Well, ICT has a Corvette, and I have a Lamborghini, so I don't know. I don't know. Someone said, are those not perfect bull flags? I wouldn't say perfect. The problem right now is we're pushing back up into this resistance here, this previous area of support from the overnight. This flag breakout here was a lot better, you know, off the VWAP, nice little move. Vets aren't cheap. How much is the Corvette? What do you think a Corvette goes for? What's a Corvette go for? Lambo Raul daddy has 5 Lambos. Y'all are dum-dums. Lambo Raul's daddy is a multi-millionaire dentist. He's a famous dentist, all right? Yeah, well, go buy a Corvette for $90,000 because daddy's got the STO, Hurricane STO, Huracan STO. And then also the McLaren 600 LT. That's that's $500,000 in just cars. And then I got a $500,000 boat. And then I got a Raptor. And then I got it all, baby. And I'm going to Hawaii for 2 months. Oh, Lord. The Hurricane STO. Is that on loan? No, it's not on fucking loan. Come on. Is it true that I got mentored by ICT? Yeah, he mentored me. He taught me how to be a psychopath. Hey, just because you paid $200,000 for a Corvette does not mean that it's worth $200,000. You know? Do all of these fulfill me? Yeah, I'm fucking super happy right now. Like, here comes the band hammer, baby. Come on. Come on. Right now, the Nasdaq stuck up here at the highs for now. Well, not the highs, but stuck up here at the 630s. Can't get through that 630 area for now. We got the VWAP to the downside. We'll see what happens. The merch website's gone off only prop firms? What the fuck? Wow, it's gone. Bro, only prop firms, what the fuck's going on? Where'd the merch go? It's not there. Onlyprofirms.com, it doesn't exist. It's in the footer. What the fuck? There's the apparel in the chat. If you want to look like me, you know, we got some good stuff. We got some good stuff out there. Look at this. Just, oh, the McLaren, Patrick Wieland's face. Put this on your fucking, buy a t-shirt with my face on it. Wear it out in the public. People are going to be like, damn, you know Patrick Wieland? I've actually been spotted multiple times wearing the shirt in public. It's pretty funny, actually. People are like, wait, you're that YouTube guy. I'm like, that's me. That's my face on the t-shirt, baby. What's up? What's up with you? That's my face on the t-shirt. What's up? You don't do the local cars and coffee? Do I look like a cars and coffee kind of guy? Go stand around with a bunch of 16-year-old kids at a car meet getting some photos? I mean, I got better things to do. You know? No offense to people that go to car meets, but we got better things to do. Will the stream continue when you're in Hawaii? Yes, I will be live streaming from Hawaii. Live. What do you do with all your money? Clearly I buy stupid shit. Clearly I just buy stupid shit. Don Crystal, I have a challenge for you today. Can you show exactly when you are in a position? Oh, Don, that sounds like a scary challenge. I don't know if I want to take that challenge, Don. I don't know if I'll be able to handle that. Show exactly. How about this, Don? This is all I want you to do, Don. I want you to come over here and I want you to show me your exact position. And then we'll see. He won't do it because he just all talk. Okay, how about this? I will do it. I'll tell you exactly when to enter and exit the trade today. Get ready, baby. Get ready. I'll tell you exactly when to get in and exactly when to get out. So sitting back here waiting and watching market open. Got a little less than 5 minutes. You look tired today. Rough weekend? Yes, banned. For now on, any stupid questions, any bullshit, just instant ban, no response, nothing. That's the new Monday vibe. Get ready for it. Get ready, baby. Right now, VWAP down here. We can drop down here, fill that gap from the close on Friday, down below the 600 level, and then try to pop it back up. See how she goes. Don's long, don't worry. Don said to get long earlier, so. Literally. Don. Long Don. No, really, though. Don did say he was getting long earlier. I swear. I swear he did. Like, really, though, he did. Like, honestly. Look right there. Look on the chat. At 9:24, Don Crystal said, okay, now I'm taking long position after he was trolling me about trading. And now it's down what is that? Now it's down 20 points. Oh, Lord, Don. 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 Oh, that's funny. Don. What happened, Don? All right. We're getting ready for a market open here. Less than a minute, baby. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow up the like button. Let's go. We got 2,200 people watching. It's time to party. And we are ready. That's right. That's right. Let's see what happens here at open right now. Pulling back here. We got that overnight high up at the 19,700-ish. There we go, 9:30. Market is open. Right there at the VWAP for now. Just sitting there at the VWAP for now. No reason to get long yet. Be patient. Let this thing do what it's gonna do, and then we look for an opportunity, baby. VWAP right now, trying to support this. But I think we gotta go lower before we go higher. Let's see. The Dow going straight up. Don's long, don't worry. Don Crystal, he let us know in the chat that he's long right now. It's only gone down since Don said he was getting long. I don't even feel like I need to trade now. I can just sit back and laugh at the fact that Don was giving me shit and then he does that. Long dong dong dong. All right, still holding up here at the 600s. Right there at the VWAP for now. If we can get back above that 615 area, maybe we start to get that push straight up. 40s, that 38 high from earlier, little double top there. So let's see if we can turn this VWAP into support. Just waiting right now. The Dow's going straight up, by the way. You guys see the Dow? Dow going straight up. We got a pivot point there, 578s. Don, let us know if you're still alive, Don. Don, check in. We need to check in. Who knows where Don lives? We got to go to Don's house. I need to go there right now to help Don. He was upset that I wouldn't tell him when to take a trade, so he took a trade anyway, and then he blew up. Don! Don! I want to help you, Don. Where do you go, Don? Don Crystal's still long. Let's go. You'll probably be all right. I am bullish. I do think this is going to rip up. So, just kind of watching this VWAP level back above the 610s, maybe. The Dow is going straight to the moon right now. Nasdaq, the ES are not moving here. Bulls are stepping in here. Get this push straight through the 615s. They're trying to break it out here right there at the VWAP now. The bulls got to get through that 15 level. Stuck there again. Just being patient. No reason to do anything here yet. You know? Pivot point down there, 580s. Let's get above these two wicks here and then start to rip up back above the VWAP. So let's see. Still having trouble moving. I think there's a rip coming. Get ready. Just holding up here at the 580s for now. No real movement yet. I think you got like this kind of idea for the breakout. If you're looking for a long here, back above this 612 area. Still trying to hold up here at the 580s, right there at that pivot point for now. Don's still long, don't worry. Oh, Don. Don! What happened, Don? Market looking weak here. We got to bounce. We've basically filled that gap now from the overnight. The bulls need to show some strength here to get this pushing, or are we going to keep on dipping? We got that overnight low down there at the 26s. Nasdaq just dumping right now. And this is why we don't just jump in right away. Don't be like Don. Don literally picked the top. He bought at the top of that move. Yes, congratulations to Don. Once Don gives up, if Don says he's getting short, that's when I'm gonna get long. Let me know when you get short, Don. Let me know when you get short, buddy. Nasdaq back up to that pivot point there at the 578 level. Nice little pop back up here. Don went long. Could be a new t-shirt. Don long. Nice little rip. Let's get back above this VWAP. Bull's got to get it back above the VWAP, back above that 19,600 area, and then we can see if we start to rip up. Getting through that 610, 600 area there next. Don's still long. Let's go, Don. Don's our spirit animal today. Don's our spirit animal today. All right, 19,600. There's 50 contracts sitting there. If we get through there, be looking for possible breakout potential here. Long Don. Definitely sounds like a porn name. I think Don's going to be all right, though. If we get back above the VWAP, Don's going to be all right. Don's going to be all right. Don said, hold my beer, boys. We got Jimmy, no stops. We got Don, don't give a fuck. That's Don. Don don't give a fuck. He gonna get in when he gets in. He don't care what the market's doing. That's right. All right, Nasdaq trying to get up there through the 600s there next. Right there, the VWAP. All right. Straight up now. Beautiful. Look at this thing. Need a little bit of a pullback here. gonna go straight up now. Oh, Lord. Trying to push through the 15s. I want to see a higher low kind of put in here above this VWAP now. Got to put in that higher low here. Big seller at the 05s right now. 88 contracts sitting there. Again, sitting there sellers trying to hold it down. It's not a very good clean breakout right now. Not a very clean breakout here yet. Bunch of liquidity popping up there. 45, 645s up there now. 42 contracts sitting up there. See if we get a little bull flag here. Just stuck there. All right. I'm gonna try this long, looking for this push up towards that 45 level or so. Got to get through the 20s. Kind of like that, stack it out. Stop at the 90s here, right below 90s for now. All right, below low of this candle. Trying to go through the 15s here next. Beautiful. Looking for 24s. Get this push up through the 20s, 45s to the upside there. So just looking for this move to continue. We got this high from earlier up there, 40s or so. So if we can just get going here through this, we're above the VWAP now. We just need to push 30s or 40s up there next. So just looking to see if we can continue this momentum to the upside here for now. Through the 20s here next. They said I wouldn't show the trade. I'm showing the trade. It's live. Patrick never shows his trades. Patrick. Patrick. Take me out there at the 24s next. Oh, come on. Got some sellers at 25s to get through, and then see if we can get up there towards the 30s, 40s next, baby. Just got to get through that 25 seller. Trying to push. On the book map right now, you can see that 25 seller sitting there. This is actually the ES right now we're looking at, but the Nasdaq right now trying to push up through there. That 25 break, can we get it? A little bit of trouble there, chopping here at the 20s. Come on. Moving my stop up here, right below 600 now. So silly. We just basically want to watch that VWAP now. Possibly getting stopped out here. Got right to my first target. I can always re-enter later, but is what it is. Almost stopped out there. Bounce right off the VWAP one more time. One more time off the VWAP. And just stuck here for now. Monday, no news. No news Mondays. The buyer sitting there at 05 right now. Will this push? Bought 50 contracts right there. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Woo! Right back up there again. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Beautiful breakout potential coming up here to get through this 15-minute opening range. Send us up there to the 40s. Come on. Beautiful. Come on, baby. 620, looking for that breakout here. Continue this move up. Take out that high from earlier. Right? Try to take out this high up here, that double top 640s or so. But just stuck again at the 615s. Oh, Lord. It had the potential. It had everything. It had all the writing on the wall for a breakout here. But it's Monday and the market is deciding to chop around here now. So we just needed to get back up there. Back up through these, this high of this candle, 22, would have been sending us higher up there to the 40s. Maybe it happens, maybe it doesn't, but as of right now, it looks like I'm about to get stopped out here at the 98s. Again, testing VWAP one more time. Can we hold a VWAP? The line in the sand, VWAP, VWAP, VWAP. Not looking too good though. And stopped out there for now. Stopped out for now. That's how it goes sometimes, my friends. Nasdaq stopping us. And Nasdaq back down here, 580s now. Capital Control showed his trade for the first time and you got stopped out. You're right. First time I ever showed a trade ever. I've never ever. I was up 20 points. I got stopped out. Oh, God. Oh, God. Everybody, please turn off the stream. Just go ahead and just turn it off. Everybody walk away now. Please, everybody, just do not watch anymore. Whatever you do, just don't ever watch me, please. It's terrible. Whatever you do, just stop. Just walk away now. Please don't ever watch. Oh my God. What are we gonna do about this, Patrick? I can't believe it. Oh God. What am I gonna do? Nasdaq continuing to hold on here for now. Guys, I was up 20 points on the trade. I got greedy. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, hey, I wanted more. You know, I went for a big trade. It didn't play out. And that's just how it goes. I don't know why anybody's like even arguing. It's like, the trade was there. The market didn't go higher. We stopped out. I mean, like, that was you know, the risk reward was great there because if we got up there to the highs, I mean, look at how nice that trade would have been. And again, pushing back up there through the VWAP again. What are you gonna do, Nasdaq? What are you gonna do here? Getting denied again at that VWAP. The chop is real. I think we're just gonna fucking chop city here now. Dollar's pulling back here. Nasdaq right there at that 580 pivot point. Dow's pushing back up. We still have not broken out of the 15-minute range. I guess we did earlier there, but now we're back in the middle of the 15-minute range once again here. So 30 seconds, some news coming out here at 10 o'clock. See if his market's waiting for the news. That 45 liquidity still sitting there on the book to the upside there. 30, 45, 600 right now, holding us down right there at the VWAP, acting as resistance here. Will they flip the VWAP one more time? The Dow's going straight back up. ES is lagging. Nasdaq's lagging. Looking trouble here for the Nasdaq once again. Right there at the VWAP, holding it down. Lieutenant Dan. Just trying to stay patient. No reason to do anything right here. Just waiting. Trying to avoid the chop here for now. I see everybody in the chart coming up with different ideas right now. Guys, it's just better to sit back, be patient, and wait for something to happen here. No reason to sit there and run through a million different scenarios of what could happen. I mean, you might as well just wait for something good to happen here. Hourly chart still holding on there. Get back above that 19,600s again. Let's see. Just in that 15-minute range right here. Below the VWAP now, right there at that pivot point. Very choppy. These 2-minute candles, wick, wick, wick in this area here, so. Sellers again trying to pop it back up, 19,600s again to test it. Or the buyers trying to pop it back up here. Right there to the VWAP once again. Just trying to stay patient. I've been here before. I know exactly how this plays out, so just being patient. We know there's a good move to come. No reason to get all worked up and upset, FOMO, and emotional, right? Just wait. Wait for this move here. Back up there above the VWAP again. All right, starting to push. Can we get a move here? We just need to break out of this 15-minute range again. Turn that 15-minute range into support and then look for that push up there to 640s next. What do you think? Up there to the 620s. One more time. Got to get through that 620 level. That high earlier, 24.25 there to get through. The ES has not pushed above the overnight high yet, or it's right there at the overnight high for the ES now. Nasdaq once again. Stuck in the range. Starting to ramp up. Little bull flag on the 1 minute chart to break out through the 620s here. That's 625, 624 touch again. This is originally the kind of move that I wanted earlier, right? That big just push. And again, just stuck right there. After this move, there's a pivot point up there, 711 pivot point. Trying to get through that 30. I don't know why the why the ES is showing up there. Oh god. Oh god. ES wants to go. The Nasdaq wants to go. That's 630. There's 40, 50 contracts just kind of sitting there. No way. Another denial, 620s. Oh god. Push back above the VWAP, the breakout there from the 590s up there to the 623s now. Gotta stay above the VWAP here. The Bulls need to keep that VWAP in check. Keep it in check. Check, 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 check. Getting real tight. Getting real tight. Trying to get this breakout here. Through the 20s. See if we can move up there to the 40s next. Through the 20s. Look for that 40 push. Let's see it. We got to get it. Got to get it straight up here. Holding above the VWAP for now. The Dow is dumping back down. Will the Nasdaq have the strength to push through the 20s? I think there's going to be a lot of sellers that get trapped if we get above that 25, 30 level. So right now they are holding it down with all they can. Holding it down for all they can. Back to the VWAP again. We got the chop on both sides of the range here. Another little bull flag setting up here. Pulling back the VWAP there. Got to get above that 620 area and then... This new 15-minute candle opening up right here. Denied again. Wow. Market right back down. The chop is absolutely insane. And again, right back to the 80s. Wow. Monday, Monday, Monday. Monday, 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 fun day. Down there to the 50s. Right down there to the 15-minute opening range once again. Wow. Don Crystal. Still long, baby. Don't care. Long all day, every day. We got that overnight low down there, 525. Dumping. Still dumping. That 525. Will she go? There's 70 contracts at 25 right now. Nasdaq. Wow. All right, let's see if we can put in, just some resistance. Hit this pivot point, maybe. I'm looking to see if this pivot point is going to turn into resistance here. Need this area to turn into resistance here and then start to make a bear flag for that move down. You got a pivot point down there, 473s. So let's see if we can get that 580 resistance there. Very tough price action this morning. This is exactly the type of price action that we don't want to see. I mean, we're just in this massive range right now, 15-minute opening range. And look at that. It pops right back up there again. I'm not shorting this shit right now. I'm being patient. I mean, what are you going to do right here? Hard to say. Bup, 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 bup. Don Crystal is still long. Let's go. Don Crystal, he ain't ever getting stopped out, he said. Stumbled upon a live laugh by a guy who is confused and calls himself the GOAT. I'm confused, yes. I don't know what to do. What am I gonna do, guys? I don't know what to do. I'm so confused. What am I gonna do? You fucking moron. Like, I literally would love to find these people in real life and like talk to them in real life. Be like, hey, I want you to come over and tell me this in real life. Cause you never would. Cause you're literally just a fucking loser. This is on the internet and just types in some shit. Like come on. Like, what people don't understand is 99% of the time when you're trading, you're not in a trade. You know, like literally 99% of the time, you're not fucking trading. Like people are gonna sit here and be like, "What? You don't know what to do right now? Look at the market. Look, it's open. You gotta do something." Like that's literally 90% of the time. You know, like that's literally like almost 99% of the time when you're trading, you're not doing anything. You're just sitting there watching and you're just waiting. Like right now, the market it's not trending. It's going sideways. I mean, I don't care what, if you're the best trader in the entire world, like what are you gonna do right here? You know? What are you gonna do right here? And look at that. So like Jimmy talked about getting short down there at the 580s. Like, are you still holding short right now? I don't think so. Like, I wouldn't be short right now. You know? Got the DXY pulling back, the dollar pulling back here. Nasdaq again back above the VWAP here. Sometimes not taking a trade is literally the best trade you can do. You know? Sometimes literally just not taking a trade is the best thing you can do as a trader. I'd have a lot more money if I learned that lesson a long time ago. It's the hardest thing to do. Like knowing when to be aggressive, when not to be aggressive. You know? Jimmy is him. Yeah, baby, Jimmy. I think this thing's gonna just fucking rip straight up now. Check out that opening low. I saw a lot of very bearish people in the chat, so. You know. Yeah, no. All right. Market getting very tight here. Very tight. Their third attempt here. Third attempt to get through that 20 level. Who will win? The Bears, the Bulls. The bears or the bulls trying to push that 15 level once again. Got a big buyer just trying to step in here on the book map. Still just cannot get this moving. Don's just buying the dip every time. Don's gonna be in the green by the end of the day, baby. This thing's going to the moon. Don's gonna be long like 5 million. He's like 500 contracts long right now. Don's been averaging just all morning long buying the dips. My man. Don's the guy on the book map with 1,000 contracts sitting down there waiting to get filled. If Don can't do it, no one can. Don, he's our man. If Don can't do it, no one can. Who is Don? Don's in the chat. Don's a crazy guy in the chat right now, making money. He's making the money long right now. Come on, Donnie boy. Oh, Donnie boy. Oh, Donnie boy. Don's average right now is probably like 530 because he fucking bought the bottom, I'm telling you. The guy's on fire. On fire. Don, he's our man. If Don can't do it, no one can. Don, put your phone number in the chat. I'll call you. We'll do a live recap. We got Don on the phone. Don, tell us what happened out there. Well, you know, Patrick, I just knew it would go up. So I just kept buying and buying and buying and buying. And before you know it, it went up. You know, that's what I tell people. You just got to keep buying. Never stop buying. Oh, fuck. Now it's not going up. Damn it. I messed it up for Don. He's back to break even. Don's back to break even now. God damn it, Patrick. Why'd you talk? Oh, fuck. Sorry, Don. I apologize. What a move. If we move back to the VWAP from here, I'm going to lunch. I'm turning it off. Honestly, if we go back to the VWAP from here, like I'm just fucking walking away. I'm just gonna walk away. I'm over it. This is silly. This is just silly at this point. Inner Circle Dawn. ICD. Inner Circle Dawn. My guy. Inner Circle Dawn in the house. Inner Circle Dawn. Inner Circle Dawn. Lesson 1 of Don's course. Just buy. Whatever you do, just buy. When in doubt, just buy it out, baby. Just keep buying until you're back in the green. The dollar selling straight down. DXY making a new low right now. I don't know if you guys are noticing that, but the DXY dollar right now dumping. The ES just sitting right there. The Nasdaq, the Dow, everything very tight here, trying to make a new high. Will we get it? Momentum just has not followed through these moves out of this range right now. It's Monday. Monday, Money Mondays. And look at that. Back down again. You can't make this up. You just can't make up this price action. It's too good right now. This is textbook Choppy McChopperson. Back to the VWAP again. No fucking way. No fucking way, boys. Back to the motherfucking VWAP once again. Crazy. It's just crazy. Gotta break out of this range. VWAP right there below the 600s. And right back down to the VWAP once again. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I really don't know what to do. I mean, maybe you get long here, you hope it goes higher. Maybe you get short here, you hope it goes down. I mean, it's looking more like a short than a long, that's for sure, but we're still above the VWAP for now. I'm impressed either way. I'm impressed. This market is impressive. You gotta admit, like, it's impressive price action right now. Put this on the fucking Wikipedia page for the range. When people want to find out what range is, this is the range, baby. The problem is, you know, if I walk away right now, there's going to be a good move. The market's going to move up 100 points. If I walk away right now, if I don't walk away, it's going to go sideways for the next 3 hours. So either way, I'm fucked. I feel like I'm always in this position. This is always my position. Every fucking time. I'm like, I get this position where the market literally just is like, okay, we'll wait for Patrick to leave. But if he doesn't leave, we're not going to ever move. Every fucking time. I swear. You guys ever feel like that? Anybody else feel like that? I swear it always happens to me. I don't know why, but it just always fucking happens to me. It always happens to me, man. Every fucking time. If we can break out through this 15 area, maybe we start running up there towards the 40s. And we just haven't really had any type of, like, even that break to the downside was like very lackluster in terms of follow through. Just pushed it right back up in there. So I'm just like, don't really have much conviction to this actually moving up here. So, and there it goes, right back down again to the VWAP. So Good time to go to lunch, I guess. Early lunch today. Still trying to respect the VWAP here for now. All right, did we get a push? That 20 area is like a fucking, like they're just sitting there. Very impressive how well they've held this under the 20s. My girlfriend just said that tonight is the super moon, the biggest and brightest of the year. And my response was, we should get naked and have full moon sex. You think that's the right response? I think it is. I think it's a perfect response. All right. If they let this thing run, will they let it run is the question. Nope. What a insane situation here. Again, just denied right there below 620s. They are tighter than a fucking, well, I don't even know what's tighter than this bullshit right now. This is madness, honestly. It's fucking madness. They're gonna break it. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. Oh, Lord. Just kidding. All right, I think it's time to walk away. I don't know. This is bad, bad. I'm trying to be patient. Just gonna wait, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe if I go to the bathroom, the market will think that I left. I told you it'd work. I told you it would go up if I walked away. Did I not say that? This market's rigged. Now it's not gonna go anywhere now that I'm back. You know that? Literally. God damn it. Every time. I gotta stop. I do it for you guys, and then look at that. It gets stuck. As the moment that I come back, the market just stops moving entirely. How is that possible? Just how is that possible? Is that Lambo a prop? Yes. It's not real. I bought it on Amazon. It only has the front of it. You can't see the back there, so don't worry about that. So it's a life-size model. You know, you can build it into a bed or whatever you want. You can just, it's nice. Temu. It's a Temu Lamborghini. It's a Temu Lamborghini. Whee! Made out of cardboard. It's a cardboard. Made out of cardboard. Oh! It's finally going up. Come on, Don. Let's go, Don. Come on, Don. Let's go, Don. Don's gonna be so rich. You know Don's got like 5 million contracts. He's been averaging down all morning long, baby. He said, I'm getting long and I don't care what the price is. I'm gonna buy. Buy, Don. Oh. Bro, this Nasdaq is insanity. It's insanity right now. Don rich. Don's rich. Don, y'all rich. Oh my, no fucking way. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is when you do not want to be trading. You want to be out of this shit. You just go get the fuck out of this. Go find a new job. Go do anything but trading today. This is bad. Bad. Not good. Not good for, if you're a momentum day trader, it's really fucking hard to make money when there's no fucking momentum. The market goes up 5 points and pulls right back. So, stay alive, my friends. Look at this. Again, just stuck right there at the 620s, so. Insanity. I'm over it. I'm fucking so over it right now. It's silly. It's fucking silly, man. I don't know, man. On the day right now, you can see $12,186. Just been kind of trading this range, playing around with it, but just no real momentum to make more money than that. So, yes, this is real money. Yes, this is a live account. Yes, it's all happening. As you can see right there, account live, ready to go. So, I do feel like there's potential for a break to the upside here, so. Just gonna stay out of it though. VWAP holding up support right now. 597's up there to the 620s. It is now 10:50 here in the morning. I think even if the market does make a move to the upside, who knows? Maybe 10, 20, 30 points, chops around some more. So, yeah. Now it's gonna start going. Trying to break out through here. So. Oh, there's the move that I wanted. Are you kidding me? Come on. There's the breakout. Now up there through the 30s. Oh, man. There's the move. There's the move. Don, he's our man. If Don can't do it, no one can. Don's getting paid, baby, getting paid. ICT is calling you out. I don't give a fuck. I'm up $12,000 on the day. What's ICT up? 0. He's not even in a trade. He's fucking sitting there just blobbering and fucking talking shit. Wait to get my $500,000. ICT, I want to see my $500,000, you fucker. Where's my $500,000, ICT? I want my money, motherfucker. I want my money because you ain't gonna win the Robbins Cup, buddy.
It's where the market's gonna go to. So if we have done the work and we're
you ain't gonna no, it ain't.
To determine where the market's going to go over the course of the session, over the course of the day, which we haven't gotten to that part yet. So far, we're only working with session draws on liquidity, and they're dynamic. Session draws on liquidity are dynamic. That means it's above and below. You have to start there.
There's the push up, 640 now, starting to push. Oh, buddy. Paulie's up 11,000 on the day. There's your move. Up there to the 650s now. Oh. That's painful. It hurts. $10.50 on the dot. Market making the move here finally. 660s now. Wow. Wow. So just to recap, you know, we had the VWAP there. VWAP 19,600 is holding up. We had just kind of that sideways looking flag thing finally breaking above that 15 level. And there's your push. 30, 40 points. Market made the move. It's making moves, baby. Now it'd be funny if they just chop it on back down, huh? Just chopping it on back down here now. So, by the way, you still have that overnight high. Overnight high is right there from earlier. And the overnight high, 680 area up there. To take out that overnight high. This 2-minute chart right now, I'm not looking, these two candles, ooh. See what happens here, but I think maybe pull back into that 20 area again. Those two candles right there. Ideally, you would just want more of a pullback here before a breakout, but market doesn't always do it exactly how you like it, so we'll see. Doesn't always do it exactly how you like it. The ES still has some room to run. The ES just pushed above the pivot point. That 5,605 level on the ES looking interesting. I think the Nasdaq wants to take out that 680 high up there, so. You gotta love when the Nasdaq like goes from, you know, very choppy, stupid action, and then all of a sudden, now it's like finally starting to make some moves, you know? You gotta love it. The problem is like Dawn being long this morning, like, I mean, you can't just hope and pray. Because this easily could have dropped all the way down there. You could have, you know, don't go chasing waterfalls, my friends. Don was right. I mean, hey, a broken clock is going to be right twice a day. So, Flagging here, trying to get through that 60 area next. You got the 80s up there, 680s. How much is the course? It's $199, $199. Make you holla if you guys want to learn more. Right now, we got a big webinar on Wednesday webinar, right? We're breaking it all down live on Wednesday. So if you are on the fence, you're like, I might sign up, I might not sign up, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Well, there's time to sign up before Wednesday. So it's happening. It's happening. Yeah, it's happening. So you can see, just kind of break down some of the chapters. We go through platforms, fundamentals, concepts, momentum trading, entering, exiting trades, and all that fun stuff. So there's about 11 chapters total. And it's just, you know, me talking, breaking it down, opening range, and all of that fun stuff. So right now, the Nasdaq trying to break out here once again through the 660s. Will she go all the way? 70, there's 30 contracts sitting there at the 70s. $75 liquidity up there now, 46 contracts to get through. Nasdaq trying to push up there to the 70s. $29 contracts sitting right there at the 70s right now. 70s. Right there. Woo. Patrick, will there be a book or a PDF? Kimmy, we got some stuff coming. We got a book coming out, and we also got there's a PDF breaking down some stuff there as well. So on the day right now, I'm up $14,175. $14,175. Real money. It's all real. Wee. She's still going. The VWAP acting as support there, 19,600s. I went long, 41.75, 43.50 on this pullback here. So you don't call out your trades, correct? If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out, blow up the like button. You got a 500 likes here on the stream. Roy Elliott said, thank you. Nobody ever says thank you for the money that we make. Thank you. All right. Patrick, when you suggest that we don't trade this mess, why do you? Well, I just scalp it. Very small scalps. I've been trading for 8 years, you know? So I don't know. There's an old saying, don't do as I do as I say. You know, I think for a new trader, a beginner trader, if you're new today, nothing wrong with not taking trades, you know, being patient, just watching the price action. Nothing wrong with that sometimes. Look at this, still going higher, up there through the 70s now. So. Do as I say, not as I do. But yes, I was taking longs for that push up here. You see the longs, taking the longs, a pullback to push, just taking little scalps, little 10-point scalpers. Little 10-point scalps keep the doctor away. When the price is not wanting to go, you just gotta take them scalps sometimes. You gotta take them scalps, baby. How many contracts do you use? Just depends, really. I try to like scale in and out. Did you trade micros? No. We're trading minis. Always minis for me. I'm too rich to trade the micros. As you can see, trading the minis, the minis, the minis. Mini, mini, minis. Mini, minis. I thought Apex doesn't allow scaling in and out. You're right. This is why I am trading my live account today. Real money account, not a prop firm account. Why are you not trading with Apex? I'm still trading with Apex. Still have Apex accounts, all that fun stuff. Sometimes I trade on a day like today, I don't really see a reason to trade the Apex accounts with the drawdown and all that. So it's easier to just trade my own personal account. Still going higher. The breakout, like we said, this is what we were looking for there earlier. Through the 20s now, up there almost to the highs, that 680 area. I mean, don't tell me we didn't talk about this exact move happening. She wants that 680 push. You can add to winners with Apex. Yes, you can also add twice. You can buy, get long or whatever, and then you can add one more time. You just can't keep adding and adding and adding. Dollar cost averaging. You know, you can't just like buy one contract, buy another 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 contract while you're averaging down. You know, that's what you can't be doing. So, like Don did. Don't do what Don did. Don't be a Don. You can add to winners all day, but just don't add to losers. What's the main reason I was bullish? I think you have to look at it from a very kind of interesting perspective. You look at the bigger time frames. I mean, we're just like kind of bull flagging here on the bigger time frame. I wasn't overly bearish. I thought we would run that overnight high before making a move down. So, Austin Baggett just turning in. How are you doing? Well, Austin. On the day right now, I'm up $14,175.80. Not an easy day by any means. Trust me, not an easy day, but still able to trade the momentum here and make some money. So there it is. Tomorrow will be a free live stream like normal, but Wednesday will be a private 3-hour webinar for everybody that buys the course. So we'll spend 3 hours on Wednesday kind of breaking it all down and explaining, talking, and all that fun stuff. So keep on working on. Do you find that trading with a live account, you're more disciplined versus trading a little bit more reckless on the prop accounts? Yeah, definitely feel that way for sure. Yes, the webinar will be recorded and uploaded to the course platform once it's all done. So, will you ban people on the webinar? I hope that the people that pay $200 aren't going to come and troll me on the webinar, but maybe they do. I don't know. I feel like if you spend $200, it's going to stop you from sitting there and talk shit, you know? All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. Good time to go to lunch. We had our move that we were looking for. We made some money. And now it's time to either, if you're going to keep trading, just wait for the right setup or walk away. It's almost 11:15 here. And that's it. So, Christian, do you check the news every day? Fuck yeah, we check the news every day. Come on, Christian. Luckily for you, there's a free calendar on onlyprofirms.com. Onlyprofirms.com. Anthony, what's my P&L for the day? I just said it, 14,000. Where you been at? What have you been doing, Anthony? The fuck you been at, Anthony? Yes, my live account is through Trade-of-8. Nasdaq once again dipping down here. Bookmap. I don't know why the ES bookmap is always showing up now. I gotta change that in the settings. Jimmy, how much you risk? Everything, baby. $1 million to make 14,000. All in, all the time. All in, all the time, Jimmy. I'm currently flat, about to go to lunch here, so. A lot of liquidity stacking up here at the 60s right now. 43 contracts sitting there at the 60s, 660s. $48 contracts, 660s here. So maybe a little bit more pullback and then a break to the upside to take out that overnight high. Who knows? We'll see. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We got the webinar on a Wednesday. It's popping in. Peace to the Middle East.